Hey, how you doing guys? It's Ilabella here. I record this stuff on YouTube. Check the description for all my information. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a big thumbs up to support it. And this is called Encode and Decode TinyURL. No, this is a companion problem to the system design problem, design TinyURL. TinyURL is a URL shortening service where you enter a URL such as this link right here, and it returns a short URL such as this link. Design the encode and decode methods for the TinyURL service. There is no restriction on how you encode decode algorithm should work. You just need to ensure that a URL can be encoded to a TinyURL and the TinyURL can be decoded to the original URL. Well, we can solve this problem using map data structure. You know, guys, you can put the value into that map which is assigned to the particular key, right? And we will be using two maps. The first map is, say map. The type string means key, and string means value. The first map is named as URLs new hash map string, and we can copy this part to save some time, and also we create another one which is short u is equal to new hash map, also string and string. Then we create public static base host, which is this tinyurl.com. We can copy that as well and paste, and we implement this encode method in the case when we already got the generated part, which is right here into that short u, right? We say short u dot contains the key long URL. We can return this host, base host, let's say base host plus short u dot get long URL. Otherwise we create string characters, lowercase, uppercase, letters and digits, English alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and also uppercase letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, w, x, y, and z, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9. Yeah, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, W, X, V, W, okay, X, Y, Z, right? V, W, X, Y, Z, and digits. Okay, good. We also need to create the key, which is null. Initially, we create a loop. We say do. We create a string builder. New string builder in order to build a string, right? And we create a for loop. We start from 0, I is less than 6. You could notice from the description of this problem that we got 6 characters right here. That's why we say I is less than 6, I plus plus. Then at each iteration we say string builder append the characters at the position of first we need to cast, because we are gonna say math.random, and you know, like random, this method returns double, returns a random value, multiply by this characters dot length. Also we say key is equal to string builder dot toString, and we keep doing that until this URLs, right, contains this part, this generated part, which is the key. Yeah, so we can have also the case when this part is already generated into that URLs, right? So we can already get generated part into these URLs, and in this case we just keep doing that, right? This loop means that we enter this loop anyways, right? Yeah, and like first time, right? The first time we enter this loop, regardless of this condition. Then we say URLs dot put. We put this key, right? Then original URL, which is long URL. We put the value, I mean short U, this generated part, which is assigned to this long URL, and finally we return base host plus the key. Next we implement decode, the decode method. We return first we say we return these URLs dot get, and right here we replace this short URL, which is, for example, right here. We replace this base host, which is, for example, tinyurl.com, this base host with an empty string, and then we got this part, right? We got the original URL at this key, at this part, right? You can see right here, and that's it. Let me check real quick. First we create two maps, URLs and short U. Then we create base host, which is this link, right? Then we implement this method Encode. In the case when we already got generated part, which is assigned to this long URL, we return base host plus short u.get long URL. There is no reason to go further, right? And otherwise we create these characters like lowercase letters, uppercase letters, digits. We set up key to null, then we enter this loop, and we create string builder in order to build the string, this key. Then we keep doing that until 6, because there are 6 characters. At each iteration we append math random multiplied by the length of these characters, and we say to string, right? We set up this key to this part right here. Then we keep doing that until this URLs contains this key, and after we put this original URL as the value, this generated part as the key, and this vice versa, the key, this part as the value, and original URL as the key. Into this short u, finally we return this tinyurl.com plus this key, and we implement this decode method. We return, first we replace this base host, this right here, with an empty string, and we got original URL, which is, for example, right here, from that URLs. That's it. Let's run this code. I'm not sure, like any typos or something like that. Yeah, there is a typo. Okay, so identifier public static. Okay, yeah, we got string right here. Let's run this code again. Good, accepted. Let's submit. Success. Thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments below. I want to know what you think. Follow me on social medias. I do all LeetCode problems. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give me a big thumbs up to support it, as I said right at the bat, and do your best. Forget the rest. I'll see you next time. Bye.